Okay, so I'm gonna make another recipe because I had left over the frangipani from the apple roses, and I had left over some pastry, some of the pastry sheet, and also some of the it looks like a marmalade already, blackberry, the blackberry sauce. So I'm gonna just invent something here real quick, and what I'm gonna do is let me first spray with butter. Good show. The tin, the little mold. I'm gonna do four for now, and we're gonna line them with what was left over from the pastry shell, the pastry sheet. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the same thing more or less that I did for the roses, but I'm not gonna make them as thick. I'm gonna make them thinner. And I'm gonna make the bottom probably have enough for maybe 2, maybe 3 if I'm lucky. Spread these out and put them at the bottom. Let me put these at the bottom first before anything else. I don't want it to happen what happened with the rose on the last one, that it went through, all the way through. And just need a little piece here. Okay, that's how they look. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little bit of an egg wash. I didn't do this on the last one for these. I put the egg wash on the leaves, but so they stick really good to each other here. I'm gonna make a little egg wash and just brush them on there, brush it on there. The eggs make everything stick. It makes it stick to each other. Okay, that's how they look. I'm not gonna put the beans, the aluminum foil, the beans. I'm not. This is just something quick for I can use these, the leftovers of the roses. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes. And at bake 350 start. Okay, that's what they look like. Now we're gonna put the frangipani in there, each one of them. Let me get an extra spoon. make sure I have enough for all of them. Okay, now we're going to put it back in the oven for 20 minutes. We have to cook the egg in that paste. They look pretty cute. Okay, so let's see what these babies look like. Oof. Nice. They look like little muffins. Wow, I'm impressed. Look at that. Nice. We're gonna take this syrup that we made, that it's already became a jelly, blackberry jelly, and we're gonna put it over it. Okay, so there you have it. This is what we had left over from the apple roses. The ingredient we had left over. That's what we made. If you want to make these like the whole, you can just make the recipe without the apples and shaping the flowers. You can just make the little muffins. So let's wait till they cool, that they cool off, and we'll take them out of there and see how they come out. Okay, so they've been cooling off for about 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna attempt to get them out of here, which they should be pretty easy. There is one. They smell really good. There's so many things that you can do with these ready-made pastry shells or pastry sheets. So many things. Okay, so here they are, the finished product. I'm not gonna eat them right now because I'm full. I just ate dinner, but tomorrow for sure I'm gonna have one of them for breakfast. One or even two. I might have two for breakfast. I'm sure they're delicious. And once again, thank you for watching, and may God bless you and keep you safe always. And I'm gonna call this recipe, what am I gonna call it? Blackberry almond muffins. Yeah, that sounds good. Good name for it. Okay, bye bye until the next time.